Welcome to Namis Academy.
In this video, I will be solving this Waec past question 2020. The question says, if x equals to x such that x is less than 7 and y equals to y such that y is a factor of 24 and are subsets of universal sets having the elements 1, 2, 3 to 10, find first x intersects y and x union y. So before you can solve this kind of question, you need to interpret the coded element of x and the coded element of y. So let's get into the solution of this question. So for x, let's find the element of x. X is such that x is less than 7. Then we say that the element of x are the value less than 7. Then we'll begin from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But where do we stop? Remember, it doesn't end at 1 or 0. So it's continue with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So there must be a limit to this x less than 7. Therefore, I don't have anything to write for now. So let me go for the y. The y says y is such that y is a factor of 24. Okay, let us get out the factors of 24. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, because 8 times 3 gives 24, 8, 12, and 24. So these are the factors of 24. But this is not giving the limit to all these elements. It says they are all subsets of the universal set ranging from 1 to 10. So that means the limitation to x has been given, and even not all the factors of 24 are elements of y. They have been given limitation between the elements of the universal set. So the element of the universal set determines which of the elements that are explained here will be the element for x and for y. So let's get into that now. Therefore, the element for x would be, remember that x is less than 7, so will be from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So these are the elements for x. And that of y, since they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So the elements of y are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So now that we've gotten the elements of y, we should state out the elements of the universal set, right? The elements of the universal set are just from 1 to 10, as it is indicated in the question. Universal set 1 to 10. So universal set has the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we have defined the elements of the set like this, then we can now begin to solve the question asked. Find x intersect y. Remember, x intersect y is asking for the common element of x and y. The common element, meaning that which element appears among the elements of x and among the elements of y at the same time simultaneously. So let's get to check. We have 1 as the element of x and y, so 1 is a common element. We have 2, so 2 is a common element. We have 3, so 3 is a common element. We have 4, so 4 is a common element. We have 5, 5 is not a common element. What about 6? Yes, 6 is a common element. So this is x intersect y. X intersect y. So this is the answer to x intersect y. Now what about x union y? X union y. So remember, the meaning of union is the addition of the elements without repetition of one element twice. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, and that is the last of all. So we have 1 in all the cases, 2 in all the cases, 3 in all the cases, 4 in the 2 cases, and then 5 in each of the case, in one of the cases, that's the X, and then 6 in both of the cases. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 as X union Y. I hope you understood everything we did in this video.